Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're making a start on window boxes that are going to give colour from May right through until October time. And we're planting this one up in a very simple way. The box is 60 centimetres long. The most important ingredient in this box is the compost, the Swell compost in the box. Swell compost has got 12 to 14 months slow release fertiliser and a wetting agent. Very important to use a good compost. There's so much rubbish compost out there. If you use a bad compost, you won't have success, so be careful that way. In the centre, we put in a lovely angel wings. And angel wings are just going to have lovely foliage, going to stay this colour, hold it right through at least until October. And then we're going to put in 2 TRIO MIOs in Million Bells. This one has got yellow, blue and pink in. You have 3 plants in this pot. You'll see them under TRIO MIO in the web shop. And this one here, just starting to come into flower. Look at that little rosette there. This is a double trio. You have blue, cherry and white in this one. That's just the cherry one just coming into flower now. Now, one of these either side of the Million Bells is perfect because you have 3 plants there. They're going to fill this out in just a kaleidoscope of colours that will flower right from May right through until October for you. So just going to put one either side. So they're under TRIO MIO. Remember, you have 3 plants in each of those little pots, and they will fill out both corners. Now, keep them warm. It's still very early, so you can't work outside. You've got to be under cover and protect from frost as well. So you have the 2 TRIO MIOs and in the centre here, the lovely angel wings. So you have double TRIO MIO. You have blue, cherry and snow in this one here, blue, cherry and white. And in this one here, we have the lovely colours. You've got yellow, blue and pink there in that one. So they just fill out nicely. Very simple way. Use a good compost. Those 3 plants will give you a non-stop colour from May until October. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.